Hey guys, welcome to Saga channel guys. So guys, this will be very important from the Google My Business persons. And please watch entire video. If you have questions, anything can raise me. And if you have any questions required from any language, you can ask me the comment box, definitely upload the video within the week time. If any urgency required, you can comment me, definitely I'll upload the video within the 1 hour of day, we can upload the videos. Watch entirely, understanding the complete structure. So any one business will be promoted through Google My Business option. First priority, what are the reviews you can come? You can give the reply for the reviews. That is mainly important call is your posting option is more important. Your posting option will be more important. So what are the language you will be promote? Akan. So this will be promoting here. This will be book now. This content will be adding. Link adding. So the relate image also uploading here. Relate image compulsory important. If you not upload the proper image, they can't getting for results from the particular link. Some people is doing for every content they may upload for the home page link. It's not a correct way. The exactly proper link will be uploaded. That will be generating for exactly page you getting the leads. Now click for publish. After publish this option, we can share from Facebook, Twitter, email, any option. This will be particular link option will be here. So these are the particular options into the regular posting is important by using keywords. These are particulars, they will be help to the user getting from your website to generating for traffic purpose. Now, the based on that, your insight will be increased. Data may be delayed here. How many people coming from direct discovery, branded, everything will be shown here. So here, how many calls, how many requests, everything. Next one is called, you update by the photos. What are the image you design? We can, so video, images. So we can come into interior, select your images. So what are the image you design? The completely we can upload it on your particular Google My Business. This image also will be help with a particular audience to generating traffic on your website. That will be most helped by the users. So these are the keep it in mind to work on your particular Google My Business. First of all, regular post and reviews, give the proper reply. Third one, photos updating. And fourth one is called, what are the message you will be add the messenger, anything, you can reply from the message option. So first you can upload the video or upload the photos, anything happen to generating traffic. Each photo you can generating traffic. This will be totally organic method. So regular, how many posts you done? Regularly we can go for 1 or 2 is done. Don't give them more options. They will be suspend your Google My Business account. Sir will be say upload regularly most posts you getting leads. Not like that. You will be post content most favorable that getting audience on your particular website. So these are the method when you follow getting good leads from Google My Business. Regular post, if you get the reviews, you the reply from them, and the review posting compulsory important, and you can update the photos option and check for information and check for insight, and what are the message you will come, you will get the reply from here. That is called your turn on messenger option. This is a compulsory important. When you turn on messenger option, people, anyone nearby your location, they will be share your things. So these are the options mostly important from the here. If you go for paid one, create ad on the Google My Business option. But organic, post, photos updation, video updation, message, reply, and reviews update from each and every person to give the reply from them. So these are the method will be help on the particular users to grow your business here. One more thing, what are the posts you've done? We can share for social network also very important to reach your Google My Business through Facebook. Just keep it in mind to work on it. Definitely get the good results from your Google My Business to your website. Here, the link is not only for website. Your only option is called, when you come into book option, book, order online, buy, learn more, sign up, call now. Some people I did not find a call now. That is mean by your phone number not verified from the Google My Business. Just keep it in mind to work on it. Any further question, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. If any question on Google My Business, any query, anything, you can ask me my channel. I definitely support you. Thank you. Thank you very much.